Well, y'all, mother trucker, I get her done. Don't know what to do today, but I get on my son's phone, do some Snapchat or whatever, chat snap, you know what I mean? I was on his Twitter and his Instagram, you know what I mean? Get her done, but ride my tractor, maybe one of these, and then I had to sit down on my stairs because my big old house was in a farm, you know what I mean? We got horsehair all over it, and horse poop because my sheep got doodle-loop-doo, and I was like, whoa. Then y'all mother truckers came on here and said a bunch of stuff about how my nose looked goofy, so I said that y'all mother truckers should get alive, you know what I mean? My eyes, left eye and my right eye, I smell things with. It's a second nose, you know what I mean? But, yeah, I'm gonna get her done and have a good time, you know what I mean? And keep doing this. Y'all mother truckers, my name is Larry 492. Getting her done. Follow me on Snapchat. I'm on my son's phone. I do it off my BlackBerry 29856. You know what I mean? Better than all those iPhone. Got a keyboard bit in. Riding my horse. Stays on with my pops. All are done. Eating macaroni and cheese. You know what I mean? Fix my knees up. Fix my nose. My nose is going to be like this for a long time. But my wife thinks it's hot. So I don't know. Maybe should I fix it? Maybe shouldn't. It's like this really weird. But it's like weird. But yeah. Ping, pong, poof, skirt, bam, boom, smoking up, cooking the bucket, but you know what I mean? Yellow bean, mother trucker on a stick, go ahead and lick it, mother trucker, yeehaw. Yeah. Orange. Do quick rap, y'all. If you want to hear me do more, let me know, but here we go. I'm a shove a 4-inch door hinge up your edge and give him a little bit of porridge, homemade porridge with an orange. Do quick rap, y'all. If you want to hear me do more, let me know, but here we go. I'm a shove a 4-inch door hinge up your edge and give him a little bit of porridge, homemade porridge with an orange. Pretty much their name, freaking set off or whatever, and his big old country boy group, you know what I mean? They got dreads and the brick too and get her done. I don't know if that's what y'all like, Mother Turkey, but I know that that's what all my kid like. Doesn't do it called little dump or whatever, little truck, and yeah.